in a cozy forest, Bunny wears a red cape, ready for an adventure. Squirrel finds magical beans. Up the beanstalk he climbs. Frog Prince awaits a kind friend by the sparkling pond. Bear family discovers their porridge tastes funny today. Clever fox outwits the troll under the old wooden bridge. Giraffe with a long neck sees over the high castle wall. Mouse Knight bravely sets off to rescue the cheese treasure. Owl in a wizard hat mixes colorful potions under the moon. Ducklings in a row follow a path of shiny golden breadcrumbs. Sleepy animals gather, listening to tales under the starry night.